Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to fix Facebook page not found. There may be a technical problem. Open Facebook app. See, this is the problem here. Okay, let's fix it. First, tap hold on Facebook app. Now click Facebook app information. Now click storage and clear cache. Now click app information and check allow all app information. Already allow my all information. Now go to your Play Store and check Facebook update. My Facebook app already update. Now restart your phone. Finally, open your Facebook app. By doing this process, you can easily your problem solved. Thank you.